My name's Brian. We're students of the Li-Ming Chinese Academy,
where we learn about Chinese language and culture.
And today we're here to teach you about our New Year, which falls on February 19th this year.
The New Year's we're all used to celebrating on January 1st is based on the solar calendar, which is marked by the sun. The Chinese New Year is based on the lunar calendar, which follows the cycles of the moon.
Moon? Why the moon?
Well, the Chinese were once an agrarian society, so farmers eat the phases of the moon determine the harvesting and planting times during the year.
Since the path of the moon changes from year to year, the actual day of the Lunar New Year changes as well.
So how do we determine the date each year?
Well, what stays the same is that the Lunar New Year always falls on the second new moon after the first day of winter.
The new moon is when it looks like there isn't a moon at all. It's just a dark circle in the sky. Because of the cyclical dating, the Chinese New Year can fall anywhere between late January and mid-February. And this year, it's on February 19th.
Wow, that's so cool. Lunar New Year is like Thanksgiving in that it puts a lot of emphasis on family relationships and getting the family together. However, like the New Year we're all used to celebrating, we also stay up late past midnight to celebrate the coming of the New Year. It is also like Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, and Christmas, and that it's celebrated over a series of many days. The full Lunar New Year celebrations last a total of 15 days.
So what else happens during the New Year? Are there any differences between the celebrations?
Well, the Lunar New Year is celebrated in a cycle called the Zodiac. The Zodiac comprises of a series of 12 animals. What are the animals again?
Ooh, I know. Here comes the Zodiac Animals now. It's the rat, the ox, the tiger, the rabbit, the dragon, the snake, the horse, the sheep, the monkey, the rooster, the dog, and the boar.
How do these animals get to be in the Zodiac?
According to legend, the animals in the Zodiac were chosen through a contest held by the Jade Emperor a long time ago. The contest was a race, and the first 12 animals to reach the finish line after crossing a river would be placed in the Zodiac by the order which they had finished.
Oh yeah, I remember. The rat won the race because he and the cat made a deal with the ox to cross the river. The ox, being blind, needed the rat to navigate, and the rat would get a ride across the river. However, near the end of the river, the rat jumped off the ox and ran ahead to win the race.
Wait, what happened to the cat? Why isn't the cat in the Zodiac?
Well, the rat was cruel and he pushed the cat off in the middle of the river. The cat ended up finishing 13th and did not get a place on the Zodiac. That's why even today, the cat chases the rat for revenge.
Oh, I see. So then what's this year's sign? Does anybody know?
Yes?
The sheep.
That's correct. It's the year of the sheep. Sheep are thoughtful, kind, and clever, but at times can be restless and stubborn. Let's try not to be restless or stubborn this year.
Next, Joseph and Amy will teach you guys more about Chinese traditions.